Are you a therapist, a psychologist, or healthcare professional? Did you know that you can actually get more clients, more phone calls, book sales, speaking engagements, and oh, so much more from social media and video marketing strategies online? My name's Austin Armstrong, and this is exactly what I specialize in. By subscribing to this channel, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how you can do all of these things quickly and pretty easily. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it is gonna take a little bit of time and dedication, but trust me, it is worth it. Heck, you might even be able to get your son or child or grandchild to do some of these things for you. This channel is designed to be a resource for you that you can come back to and find out and learn the latest information about what actually works in digital marketing for the healthcare industry. I've been teaching doctors, addiction specialists, psychologists, therapists, you name it, for the last 5 years in a lot of these strategies because they actually work. This information is clear and easy to understand and follow. Because if it's not easy for you to understand, then I'm not doing my job. So if you're interested in taking your business, your personal brand, your private practice to the next level through video and digital marketing, I would love for you to subscribe to this channel and let me know how I can be more helpful to you. If there's a particular topic you'd like to learn more about, I'm very open and here to help. So I hope to see you soon, my friends.